really loved how they did that from an animation perspective, as well as the emotional weight that carries with Maul. But man, there is one amazing shot where like the waterfall's happening, and there's like a quick shot of Mordok like sizing up Maul as he's fighting with the crow. I don't know what it is. It's literally a second, but I had to go back and I pointed out to Trent like, "Oh, you gotta check this, check this out." And it's just really cool. And I thought that was like a really jaw-dropping moment. And that's my favorite duel and confrontation.
This is getting out of hand. Now there are two of them.